Hello, Timmies. Today, we're gonna be going to the mushroom. Well, how to get broccoli. So, you follow me. Not follow me, just watch me, really. Now you gotta jump. 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 Okay. And then you gotta go over here. Go right here. Get some of this. And then go right here and jump up. Yep. Now this is a very important thing. The platforms will fall down. So here's how I recommend going to them. You need to, how I recommend just doing it. Those two over there fall. So I said fall, not fart. That's crazy, bro. No! And the broccoli is right there. The purple one makes you smaller. Money Planet. So we are bye.